Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can set up groups in Canva. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser on your personal computer and search for canva.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page where all of your recent projects will be displayed. Now, access the target project and you will be sent to the editing page. Here, click on a single element to select it and then select other elements as well while holding the Shift key. After selecting all of the target elements, right-click on them and then select Group from the menu. You can then move them together to the target place. Once done, if you want to separate them, you can hover your cursor over the grouped elements and select Ungroup. Alternatively, you can also right-click on the group and select Ungroup from the menu. So that's basically how you can set up groups in Canva. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.